In this video, you will learn how to add GIFs in your Instagram story. So hey, I am Sam and welcome to our channel How to Guide It. If you want to add GIFs in your Instagram story, you have to open your Instagram application. I have opened my Instagram application. Now I have to add a story. For this purpose, I will swipe right to the screen and now. So I will capture this photo for example. So I have captured this. Now I will click on the second number icon which is on the top right side of the page, which you can see with the alphabet A, which is capital and small both. So the twisted page icon is clicked and all the options are now shown. So on this page you will click on GIF, which is blinking on the fifth number of the icons. So I have clicked on it. Now if you want to search a specific GIF, for example according to your mood or according to your anything, you can search your keyword. For example, I will click on mood. So it has given me so much of mood related GIFs. I can add anyone in my Instagram story. So I will click on this. Yeah. So I have added this. I can make it small, I can make it large, I can move it to the upside, to the downside, to anywhere where I want. So this is the simple process of adding a GIF in your Instagram story. If you like this video, make sure to like and subscribe our channel and follow us on Instagram. And if you want to support our channel, make sure to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. So I will see you guys in the next video. Till then, bye bye.